Hey there, it's Amy Harber. Time for another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. This is the winter Walmart beauty box. So they come out quarterly, and they also have additional seasonal special boxes, but this is the winter 2020/2021. I don't know which year you would put this with, but it's the winter box. So let's climb into the products. Okay, so Walmart winter box. So we do have the product description. Now, with the quarterly boxes, the description is not necessarily everything that you are getting. So bear with me while I go through the list here and find out what I got in this box. Okay, right off the bat, we got the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Yeah, it's a gel. It works on all skin types. I'm assuming that you just apply it on your, you apply it like a cream, like regular. I don't know if it's for your face or your skin, but I'm blind, so I'm gonna have to get out glasses or something and read it. There's that. Then we have the Cetaphil. I pronounce beauty products all wrong all the time. I think that's what I'm known for. It's the Healthy Glow Daily Cream. This is definitely gotta be for your face. Healthy Glow Daily Cream? Yeah. Day and night. Oh, face and neck. Face and neck. Don't want to get all crepey neck. Okay. Then this is Tiny but Mighty. Is the number 7 Retinol Complex Night Concentrate. And when I say tiny but mighty, it actually says on the directions, only use it once or twice a week. And also avoid the sun or wear SPF because it's a retinol. It's very powerful. Then we have Mybite vitamins. Okay, they're like chocolate vitamins. Okay, it says rich caramel, fluffy center, roasted peanuts. Good thing I don't have a peanut allergy. But yeah, they are, I believe, guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. And it looks like these are the multivitamin. So yay! Then we have the Milani highly rated 10-in-1 volume mascara. I have so much mascara. This is actually going into a giveaway box. Now you never know when I'm going to give a giveaway box, which is why you should probably subscribe, like, and follow me on YouTube and Instagram so that you know when I'm actually going to give away a box. I actually have like a whole box of stuff to give away. You just never know when that is going to happen, which is why, like I said, you should like and subscribe. Finally, this is called Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair. Oh my gosh. I don't know about you, but my feet get torn up wearing like snow boots and stuff, and then doing yoga in bare feet and stuff. So this is supposed to get rid of all like the dry skin, like, you know, on your heels or in like the ball joint of your foot. I'm excited to try this. Put it on your feet at night, put some socks on, go to bed. It's actually proven that if you're having problems going to sleep, that you should put some socks on your feet and then get into bed, because the blood flows something. I watched it. It's an actual doctor on TikTok explained it, but it's something where your feet get warm so the rest of your body gets cold and you go to sleep. Anyway, that is the Walmart box. And wait for it. That's all the cool places to follow me. Hit that subscribe. watch another video, something like that. And until next time, stay beautiful.